Welcome again, students. You can see here, this is your next topic, setting up a new administration. So, you have to discuss this topic. Dear students, this is a crucial topic for your examination. Many questions put up from this context. So let's discuss it quizzically. This is first question. In what way was the administration of the company different from that of Indian rulers? British territories were broadly divided into administrative units called presidencies. There were three presidencies: Bengal, Madras, Bombay. Each was ruled by a governor. The supreme head of the administration was the Governor General. Districts were the main administrative units who introduced several administrative reforms. The first Governor General, Warren Hastings, introduced several administrative reforms, especially in the sphere of justice. Mention the new system of justice. According to the new system of justice, each district was to have two courts, a criminal court and a civil court. These courts were under the supervision of the collectors. A new Supreme Court was established in 1774 by the Regulating Act of 1773 at Fort William, Calcutta, while a court of appeal, the Sadar Nizamat Adalat, was also set up at Calcutta. Next, what do you mean by Qazi? Qazi means a judge. The criminal courts were under a Qazi and a Mufti, but under the supervision of the collectors. What do you mean by a Mufti? A jurist or lawyer of the Muslim community, responsible for making clear the law, that the Qazi would decide on the basis of that explanation. What do you mean by impeachment? Impeachment means to bring a case or charge against a trial by the House of Lords in England for the charges of misconduct brought against a person in the House of Commons. Next is, who was Edmund Burke? Edmund Burke was an Irish philosopher, served as a member of parliament between 1766 to 1794 in the House of Commons. He brought a case against Warren Hastings in 1785. This led to an impeachment proceeding in the British Parliament that lasted 7 years. What were the duties of district collectors? Students, the principal figure in an Indian district was the collector. As the title suggests, his main job was to collect revenue and taxes and maintain law and order in his district with the help of judges, police officers, and darogas. What do you mean by Dharma Shastra? Students, Dharma Shastra refers to Sanskrit text prescribing social rules and codes of behavior. And this is last question. Who translated the digest of Hindu laws into English? Dear students, correct answer N.B. Halhed. I would like to explain in this context. In 1775, 11 Pandits were asked to compile a digest of Hindu laws based Dharma Shastra. N.B. Halhed translated the digest of Hindu laws into English. By 1778, a code of Muslim laws was also compiled for the benefit of European judges. So students, I have discussed many questions related to this context, setting up a new administration. So you have to note down all these questions and revise properly.